Hey everyone, welcome back to day 11 of our 100-day English speaking challenge here at Fluent with Mari. Today's episode is a little different. Let's have a heart-to-heart talk. Have you ever felt lost in life? But before we get there, let's begin with our usual warm-up to activate your speaking skills. Ready? Like you're not sure what you're doing, where you're going, or even who you are. If you felt that way, you are definitely not alone. Today I want to talk about what to do when you feel lost in life. Maybe you're in a job that you don't like. Maybe you just graduated and don't know what's next. Maybe your relationships feel distant. What makes me excited, even just a little? You don't need a full plan. You just need a direction. Move forward, inch by inch. Just take a moment to be still. Take a walk. Breathe deeply. Let your mind rest. Well, let me share a few things that help me, and might help you too. Or, you're simply tired of the routine. It happens. It's part of life. Brain, let's talk about it. Focus on clear pronunciation, but most importantly, focus on the meaning behind the words. Let those words and phrases sink into your heart. One small step is enough. I will keep going. Now let's move on to an exercise that will help you speak about this topic. I am growing. One small step is enough. I will keep going. You're just becoming. We all go through moments when we feel stuck or unsure about our future. So if you're playing the role of the friend who's lost, you can say something like, I don't know what to do. Just take a deep breath, think about what you want and start with one small step. That's enough. Your support motivates me to keep creating engaging content for you. Also, don't forget to subscribe. It's free and you won't miss any of my videos. I feel like I'm not making any progress in life. Then you would respond as the other character and give your friend advice. Try to use as many of the sentences and vocabulary from this lesson as possible. I am growing. One small step is enough. I will keep going. I am learning. One small step is enough. I will keep going. They're confused about their future and they ask you for advice. Before you write, take a moment to relax and center yourself. Close your eyes, take a deep breath and let your thoughts flow. You will write about the same topic using at least 7 sentences from today's lesson. It doesn't matter if you use all the sentences I've shared with you or just some of them. You can either play the role of the friend who's lost or the supportive friend giving advice. Choose the ones that resonate with you the most. Write 3 or more sentences using these phrases. Now role-play this conversation with yourself. Use the sentences and vocabulary from today's lesson to express yourself. You're on your journey. But here's the thing, feeling lost is not a sign of failure. Think about a time when you felt lost or uncertain about your path in life. It can be a recent experience or something you've gone through in the past. Many people go through similar feelings at various points in their lives. Now describe that situation to yourself using the sentences from today's lesson. I understand that feeling lost can be a challenging and overwhelming experience. But remember, you're not alone. By acknowledging these emotions and taking small steps towards self-discovery and personal growth, you can navigate through these challenging times. Don't hesitate to reach out for support from friends, family, or mental health professionals. You've got this. For example, you can start with, when I graduated from university, I felt totally lost. I'll see you tomorrow for day 12. Until then, take care of yourself and keep speaking. You're questioning your path, and that's a good thing. Because that means you want more. I didn't know what career to choose, so I felt uncertain about my future. I am learning. I am growing. One small step is enough. I will keep going. I am becoming who I am supposed to be. It's actually a sign of growth. You can write just a couple of sentences or a longer paragraph. But what can you do when you feel lost? Number 1, pause and breathe. Don't rush. Sometimes, we try to fix our lives too quickly. It's a personal favorite and I believe it can bring you comfort and strength whenever you feel lost. Or even a stranger who listens. Don't hold everything inside. The phrase is, I am becoming who I am supposed to be. Embrace the journey of self-discovery and allow yourself to evolve into the best version of yourself. Number 2, talk to yourself honestly. Ask yourself, what do I really want? Sign up for a class. Read a new book. Start learning a skill. Number 3, start small. Even one small step can give you energy. Number 4, talk to someone. A friend. A mentor. Number 5, be kind to yourself. This is so important. You're not behind. You're not broken. Now let's practice some sample sentences based on these points. Say each sentence out loud. Feel the meaning. I don't have to have all the answers. I am learning. It's okay to feel lost. Okay, now listen to me. And as you listen, repeat each sentence after me. It's okay to feel lost. I don't have to have all the answers. I am learning. I am growing. I hope those words brought you some comfort and some strength. Speaking head exercise time. Imagine you have a friend who feels lost. So you're having a conversation with yourself. You're speaking to yourself. For example, you could say, hey, it's okay to feel lost sometimes. We all go through that. You don't have to have all the answers right now. And remember, if you're enjoying this lesson and finding it useful, please hit that like button below. Now let's continue our conversation. As I listen, repeat each sentence after me. Focus on clear pronunciation, but most importantly, focus on the meaning behind the words. Let those words and phrases sink into your heart. Write freely and don't worry about grammar or spelling mistakes. Just express yourself. It's okay to feel lost. I don't have to have all the answers. I am growing. So the next step is to write. Here's a quick reminder of the sentences we practiced. It's okay to feel lost. I don't have to have all the answers. I am learning. Oh, and I almost forgot. There is no perfect path in life. Now write. Alright, now let's take a break from writing. Let's move on to the next activity. Now let's move on to our next activity. Listen to me and repeat after me. It's completely up to you how long your answer is. Brain, let's talk about it again, let's discuss. So how did you feel? What were you struggling with? And how did you deal with that situation? And here's a friendly reminder, there is no right or wrong way to feel. Finally, I have a special treat for you. Here's a bonus phrase that I want you to add to your list. Now let's have another round of practicing sentences. It's okay to feel lost. I don't have to have all the answers. And here's a final exercise for today. Answer this question in full sentences. What's one thing I can do today to feel a little less lost? Well, I hope this lesson has been helpful to you. Keep going. Thank you for joining me on day 11 of the 100-day English speaking challenge.